Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Metus. I've developed the quantum alignment technique, which is a method of diagnosis and treatment using devices that have been treated by quantum physicists. And I want to show you the basics, first of all. The first thing one has to learn how to do is to muscle test correctly. If you would resist, please. You'll notice I'm not trying to overpower the patient. I'm asking the patient to resist against my hand and tighten the knee against my hand, and I'm assessing one muscle called the rectus femoris muscle. The ideal position for the rectus femoris test is here, resist. But a lot of patients find it difficult to weaken it that much, so I let them bring it back to almost 90 degrees. So once again, we lock against the muscle, my hand pushing, she's pulling backwards, and there's a locking. Now if I take a group of very strong magnets and put the magnets on the conception vessel, which is a meridian that runs up the front from the pubic symphysis to the bottom of the lip, we find virtually every time that the patient can't lock the muscle. Resist, please. The patient will always be weak. Pull back, please. If you remove the magnet, the patient will become strong again. So the magnet has the potential to cause a neurological reduction in function to the muscle, to any muscle. If I test the deltoid muscle, you'll notice that me and the patient are trying to lock together. I'm not trying to overpower, I just want to feel a lock. And if I take the magnet and put it back on the conception vessel, resist, it's harder. They start to shake, they start to recruit, they start to use their neck, take the magnet away, resist. They no longer have to twist their shoulder, use their neck muscles, or distort their body to try and resist. Sometimes it's a very subtle difference, and sometimes it's a dramatic difference when patients go weak. It takes a long time to learn how to muscle test efficiently. Resist, to feel that lock. But if you have a set of strong magnets, you can place it over the conception vessel and see what a real weakness feels like. The interesting thing about the devices is that they have the capacity to correct the effect of the magnetic field on the nervous system. So the patient is going to be weak again, resist. And if I take one of the devices and place it on the conception vessel, resist, the patient will now be strong. If I remove the device, again, resist, they will go weak. If I put the device back, they will be strong. If I remove the magnet from the field of the patient and put it back again, resist please, they will go weak. If I take another device and add it to the equation, they will now be strong. If I take the magnet away and reintroduce it to the field, resist, they will go weak. So what is happening here is the magnet weakens the person neurologically. The device, when placed on the conception vessel, brings back a new normal to the person. That is, it has counteracting the effect of the magnet on the person. However, when you remove the magnet and leave the device and put the magnet back into the field, that is now the patient's new normal, and the magnet overwhelms. Resist. But if you take another device and place it in the field, it will correct it. So, the devices have the capacity to balance out electromagnetic or magnetic field interruption to the nervous system. And with these properties, we can do diagnosis on a person, and we can also treat the person.